Good evening, Ritika. Now,
Good evening,
please
sir.
please tell us about yourself.
Sir, I am Ritika Goel, currently working in PNB since 2020. Now I am working as head cashier in Panipat branch. My father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. I have one sibling, my elder brother. He is also a businessman.
Acha, good. So all of them are in business. Why are you not interested in going for business?
Sir, actually, from childhood, my mindset is that I have to do a government job.
Mm. Good. Now you have been with the Punjab National Bank for 2 years,
Yes, sir.
and what are the various sections in which you have worked?
So mainly I work on cash and sometimes on routine dealing like NEFT, RTGS transfers.
Mhm. Okay. Then you have not had opportunity to work in advances.
No, sir. Actually, for 2 years, they didn't give me the seat for the loan. They mainly mean there is a, separate loan officer in
Mhm.
rural
Yeah.
branches as loan
Uh,
advances are very less.
Acha, you are an officer in Punjab National Bank?
No, sir. I am cashier.
Cashier, you told me cashier. Sorry, sorry. That's right. Only officers are looking after that.
Yes, sir.
That's fine. That's really fine. Now, what makes you think that you have matured enough to become an officer?
Sir, actually, I'm very good in dealing with the customer. I have a good communication skill.
Mm,
I know how to handle the situations and how to handle the customer according to that.
mm,
And my educational qualification is also in banking.
mm.
So I thought it is an advantage to me to join bank.
So, what is your degree? BCom banking.
BCom plus MCom, sir.
BCom plus MCom. Very good. Excellent. That's really nice. Did you study for JA, IAB and all?
Sir, I have already cleared JIB plus CIB.
Super. Then you will be getting a good chance for selection. Very happy. Good, good, good. You have
Sir,
cleared.
I want to ask whether I should submit my certificates for JIB and CIB in the interview panel also.
You take it with you. If it is there with you, what is wrong in your taking it with you?
Okay, sir. As it is mentioned in the email, like we can submit our extracurricular activities. So it can
Yeah.
be considered as
No,
extracurricular or it is a part of banking.
this is not extracurricular. That is professional qualification.
So we can take
Banking.
that now as
Yeah.
it is mentioned in the mail also.
Yeah. You can take it. Please take it along with you. Superb. Very nice. That
Thank you,
means
sir.
they will ask lot of questions to you.
Sir, I am very nervous for this only.
Please tell me, what do you understand by working capital?
So working capital is mainly the daily requirement capital. It is the difference between the current assets and current liabilities, and it is that capital which is needed in our business for the routine purposes.
Mhm. Okay. What do you understand by current ratio?
Current ratio is calculated as current ratio divided by current liability. It is a current ratio. Ideal current ratio is 2:1. This ratio uh, shows the requirement of a business, routine business. It tells us how
No, no,
the current assets are converted uh, in a lesser span of time.
no. In your anxiety, instead of telling current assets, you are telling current ratio. So anxiety ज्यादा होता है ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए समझ गया
So you were asking about current assets.
No, no, current ratio I was asking. And you should have told me current assets divided by current liabilities.
Yes, sir. I have told that only.
No, but you told current ratio. Current ratio divided by current liabilities. But while answering mistake, you watch the video again, you will know, doesn't matter. Absolutely no
Okay.
problem. In a real interview, they will not go like this. They will not correct you so much and all. They will just leave you and go ahead.
Okay, sir.
So, State Bank of India.
Yes, sir.
Will you not get promoted in your own Punjab National Bank in the next year?
Sir, yes, I will get promotion in next year also, but my dream bank is SBI only. I want to work with SBI.
Why?
Sir, SBI is in a list of Fortune 500. It is the only bank that is listed in the Fortune 500. And my uncle is also working in SBI as AGM.
Oh,
And from
great.
him,
Yeah, great. Good. Tell me. That's
from
really
him,
nice.
I
If you tell AGM, they will ask his name and all. Where is he working? ये सब पूछेगा. कोई बात नहीं. वो बता दीजिए. कोई बात नहीं. Telling that is not a negative point. You can tell that. Yeah. No, but what else is the reason that makes you want to go into SBI instead of continuing with the PNB? दोनों में एक ही सैलरी मिलेगा more or less. थोड़ा इधर थोड़ा ज्यादा मिलेगा. But tell me.
sir, actually, my dream bank is SBI only.
No, you can also state SBI is one of the three domestically systemic important banks.
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
And
This is also the reason.
yeah, what is the definition of a domestically systemic important bank?
Sir, exactly, I don't know. Can I guess?
Guess. Hmm.
Sir,
I think I have posted a video on this also. Hmm. Tell me.
sir, the domestically important banks framework was issued by RBI uh, on July 22, 2014.
Hmm.
And they place the banks in the category of domestically important banks uh, based on their score of systematic importance scores. Currently, there are three banks, that is SBI, ICICI, and HDFC.
Hmm. Hmm. You are repeating the very same thing what you told earlier. Are you aware you are repeating the very same point?
Yes, sir. Actually, I don't know the particular definition for that.
Yeah, that's
We
why I
know the
was.
names of the bank, but we don't know the exact definition.
1 minute. Hmm. List of domestically systemic important banks. Additional common equity tier requirement for domestically systemic important banks began to be phased in on April 2016, and it will be in addition to the capital conservation buffer. Mm, Additional 1% equity tier one. But normally I found some other important definition that these
So
banks
these
are
banks are required to maintain higher capital buffers.
correct. Not only that, these banks, if they fail, it will affect the entire economy of the country. And so the government will do some measures in order to help these banks being put into difficulties. समझ गया? That is the
Yes, sir.
reason. I think I posted a video. Anybody has seen that video? Anybody has seen that video or not? Playlist, just a minute. Let me see. SBI PO. Because I don't think I posted it recently. It was some few days back. But I do write here what is the points for which I am posting it. Interest rate revised. Just a minute, hold on. Because for you, this question I expect. I expect this question for you. Anybody has seen that my video provisioning, then NPA declines, Amritpal Singh. Who is Amritpal Singh? Hello,
Sir,
please. Amritpal Singh. Who is Amritpal Singh? बोलिए.
sir,
Excuse me.
Amritpal Singh is a pro Khalistan Sikh.
Is a leader. Is a leader for
Yes, sir.
pro Khalistan, and police are in search of finding out him. Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes,
This
sir.
is what. This is. See, I have posted so many videos. None of you are watching it. I have posted a video on what is retail branch banking, digital marketing, then modes of digital payments. Separately डाला है. Banking ombudsman के लिए एक video है. Then yeah, I'm coming to it. I think it will come here. Then uh, Governor of Tamil Nadu returns the bill, Silicon Valley Bank problem. Then PO possible questions, commerce graduate experience sharing, Haryana. Then, yeah, the important condition is only this. Number one, this is, I think they have 2% of some percentage is involved in that. Domestically systemic important banks, domestically systemic import. मिल गया जी. गुड मिल गया. यूपीएससी का मिल गया हमको. दृष्टि IAS. I am sharing this link with you. I think I shared earlier also. Now also I am sharing that link in our paid Telegram group. अरे भाई, I am happy I got it. इधर में क्या दिया है? I am sharing it to you. Please see, because it is important for you because you are a bank employee. Reserve Bank of India has retained State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC as domestically systemic important banks that are considered too big to fail. This word you have to use. Too big
Yes,
to
sir.
fail. Then is SIBs, systemically important banks, are subject to additional policy measures to deal with systemic risk, moral hazard. Systemic risk can be defined as a risk associated with the collapse of failure of a company, industry, financial institution. Moral hazard is a situation in which one party gets involved in risky event. The disorderly failure of these banks has the potential to cause significant disruption in the essential services they provide to the banking system and in turn overall economic activity. This is very important. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
So then that is what is more important. Somewhere I read the tier 1 capital requirement ranging from 0.2 to 0.80% of risk weighted assets. But don't commit yourself too much, except say that the requirement about them are high. Similarly, under insurance companies, what are the insurance companies? Life Insurance Corporation of India, General Insurance Corporation of India, and the New India Assurance Company have been identified as domestic systemically important insurers. That is, if they fail, it will fail the economy itself. And their capital requirements are slightly different, and they have to maintain better reserves. These are some banks but yeah, this much will do for you. Is it okay? Good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, now let me ask some simple questions for you so that you can answer. Name the 8 priority sectors.
Sir, agriculture sector,
Mm,
education sector,
yeah.
education sector,
Mm,
housing sector,
correct.
infrastructure sector, small and medium sized enterprise, renewable energy,
Mm,
export credit,
mm.
uh, and social infrastructure.
No,
And
no.
other and there
Hold
is
here.
a category like others.
No, no. Self-help group under this, something like that. Doesn't matter. Good. You told everything correctly.
Yes.
Now, please tell me, under education sector, loans up to how much is guaranteed under priority sector?
Uh,
20 lakhs.
okay, sir. 20 lakhs. Yes, sir. 20 lakhs.
20 lakhs. Then under housing
Sir, there is a
sector,
question asked by someone like if there is a loan of 60 lakh, will that be covered under priority sector in any case?
no, no. If there is
Okay.
an education loan of 60 lakhs given, such a loan will not be covered. Now, I know your doubt whether it will be covered up to 20 lakhs. The answer is no.
Okay, sir.
Now, next question is under housing loan, how much is the maximum limit? This you can,
Sorry, sir.
uh, uh,
Sorry, sir.
what is that?
Sir,
I
can you
was
repeat
asked,
the question?
no, this is housing loan may up to how much amount is covered under priority sector.
Sir, 35 lakhs in metropolitan centers with a population of 10 lakh and above, and 25 lakhs in other centers.
Good, very nice. Then there can be some more questions like say agriculture may what are the requirements? What are the
Sir,
requirements?
requirement,
What are the conditions
sir, for giving loan.
uh, under priority sector?
Sir, you are talking about documents.
No, no, no. Under priority sector, there are conditions like so much 18% of the total advances must go to
Sir,
agriculture.
18% of ANBC or credit equivalent amount of balance sheet for agriculture and 12% of ANBC for weaker section
Mm,
and 40% of adjusted net banking credit total priority sector for agriculture.
mhm. Now, please tell me why the concept of priority sector.
Sir, to help the weaker section of the society.
No, however, you can also add some more points that banks were initially hesitant in financing these sectors because of the risk factor involved. And in order, since these sectors are relevant for the inclusive growth of the economy, government thought of including these sectors to make the banks give finance to these sectors compulsorily. Without compulsion, they
Okay,
would
sir.
not have given advance to these sectors. Now, who is issuing directions about RBI, this priority sector?
Sir, RBI.
Yeah, I am showing the answer and asking. Na? It's okay, nice. You have been answering almost all the questions nicely. Now, um, should I ask a very tough question? Should I ask some current affair?
Sir, actually, I'm not till now as there is a closing, so I haven't read current affairs till now. I have only covered the banking awareness and my commerce background questions.
Which date is your interview?
So 6 April.
Oh, that means you can take one more interview. But which date you want?
Sir, I want on 2nd April as it is a holiday, Sunday, and on 4th also. That is a holiday in Haryana.
Fourth में like because second very busy है. So many people are there. I will keep it as
Sir, please can you give me 30 minutes or 20 minutes for that?
आज तो 30 से ज्यादा दे दिया आपको.
So this
बहुत
is my
कुछ.
first time only.
That's true, no problem. Why are no? It is your mistake. You could have been with us at 8 o'clock every day.
Sir,
We are
actually,
discussing for the last 30 days. No, not 30, 20 days at least. Minimum. पता
sir,
नहीं.
actually, I am posted far away from my place, so I have to daily commute.
Then you can see us in your मिलेगा नहीं ना. Cell phone में नहीं मिलेगा signal.
No, sir, that's not the issue. But in daily commutation, it's not possible for me to attend daily the interview. It's possible only on the holidays.
कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा जी, अभी आपको 4th तारीख में कितना बजे देंगे? 7 बजे देंगे.
Sir, on 4th, it's any time, whenever you feel.
Whenever I feel का मतलब 4th, 4th as it is, I will make it 7 p.m. or I can even make it 5 p.m. Yeah, I can be with you
Okay,
for
sir.
half an hour, not a problem. Being half an hour is not a problem. Many students, they want me to close the interview early, because I ask so many tough questions and they find it difficult to answer. That's the problem. Anyhow, doesn't matter. We will meet again on 4th. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
That
sir.
is one more interview must be sufficient for you. And
Sir, is any requirement you think I need to make improvement on?
no, but you see, for you, the expectation from you will be very high because you are already a bank employee. And if you say you don't know anything, तो जरूर उन लोग का they will give you low marks. But
Okay,
only
sir.
mostly they may not go very deep into credit. But asking question about priority sector is there even for non-bank employees. So, but only tough questions are ratio analysis, credit monitoring arrangement, then term loan assessment, then working capital assessment. ये सब तो tough questions है. वो आपको पूछने का उम्मीद नहीं है.
Okay, sir.
And will you be smiling all the time or will you be very serious?
No, sir, smiling.
Smiling only means you will get good marks. No problem. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm